Hey there everyone, welcome to Pretty Glow. Carrots are partially good source of vitamin C, beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium and full of antioxidants. We all know that carrots have a number of health benefits. It's a weight loss friendly food and have been linked to low cholesterol levels and improve eye health. But it can do more than that. Instead of eating carrots, drinking carrot juice is the best way to add this superfood in your diet. As well as it's so tasty too. Glass full of carrot juice is loaded with vitamin A, high in vitamin C, vitamin K and beta-carotene. It also contains plant compounds called carotenoid, which act as antioxidants. It can lower down your blood sugar level, improve your eye vision, restore your skin color and keeps you active and fresh out of the day. There are numerous benefits of this amazing food. Go on and notice. This can act as an immunity booster. Also, it can improve your digestion and this is the secret to your glowing skin. Keep watching to know why carrot juice is such a miracle drink. Before going to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a video. Number 1. Improves immune system. A healthy immune system protects us by creating a barrier that stops those invaders or antigens from entering the body. Can specific food boost the immune system? Yes, carrot juice may give your immune system a boost. Both vitamins A and C found in carrot juice act as antioxidants and protect immune cells from free radical damage. Additionally, this juice is rich source of vitamin B6, providing over 30% of DV in 1 cup. So, adding carrot juice in your everyday diet may provide your immune system a boost and protect you from infections and viruses. What is your favorite homemade health drink? Let us know below in the comment section. Number 2. Improves digestion. Let's start talking about this by mentioning carrot as your stomach's best friend. Carrots are packed with fiber which help keep the digestive system healthy. If you are someone who has an irregular bowel movement or someone who suffers from indigestion, then having a glass of carrot juice will help maintaining good digestive health. Carrots has a perfect blend of soluble and insoluble fibers that aid in digestion and prevents constipation. Number 3. Gives you strong eye vision. When thinking about the benefits of carrot juice, improving eyesight comes to our mind quickly. For improving vision, vitamin A is very beneficial. Vitamin A helps the eye convert light to signal and send to the brain, allowing you to see better in low light. Carrot juice is a great source of beta-carotene, that is a vitamin which is one of the most powerful antioxidants. This helps to protect the surface of the eye. Number 4. Improving brain functions. Carrots have long been known to be good for the eyes and it turned out they are good for the brain too. Carrots have high levels of compound called luteolin, which could reduce the age-related memory defects and inflammation in the brain. According to a study published in 2010 in the journal Nutrition, if you are not remembering things every time, it's time for you to go for a carrot juice immediately. Number 5. Glowing and radiant skin. If you want to get a glowing, radiant and fair skin, stop wasting your money on chemical-based makeup products. Carrots are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help in whitening the skin. They are also called the herbal healer of skin diseases because they endorse the repair of skin tissue. The beta-carotene in carrot juice may likewise aid your skin. One study found that carotenoid-rich diet may protect your skin from UV rays damage and improve skin appearance. Carrot juice provides vitamin C and beta-carotene, two antioxidants that may protect your skin from damage. Drink it or apply it on your face as a face mask. It's your choice. One natural solution, numerous miracle benefits. Number 6. Manage blood sugar level. Carrots, among other non-starchy vegetables, are a great addition to a health diet for people with diabetes. They contain plenty of important nutrients that benefit blood sugar levels, such as vitamin A and fiber. The glycemic index for any food will go up if you cook or prepare them with honey or other carbohydrates. Carrots are high in fiber, so they help slow down how quickly they release the sugar. They also have a low glycemic index that other root vegetables like potatoes. Also, don't forget to do exercise regularly to get more results. Number 7. Improves your heart health. Doing exercises continuously, getting enough sleep and reducing mental stress can improve your heart health. First, all those antioxidants are also good for your heart. Second, the potassium in carrots can help keep your blood pressure in check. And third, they have fiber which can help you stay at a healthy weight and lower your chances of heart disease. We hope you guys get something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Bye bye. See you next time.